So finally, I've got a package from Salesforce, being an MVP. So let's have a look what I've got inside it. And it's almost a month since almost more than a month, I guess. I mean more than 2 months. In fact, since I've been an MVP, and now this package has arrived. So let's see what's in there. Let's have a look what we've got inside it. So this is the Salesforce MVP bag that I've got in this package. Is there anything else? No, I don't think so. And then there is the Salesforce MVP bottle, water bottle. And let's see what else. I've got this Micah I Anon being 2009. I don't know what this means, but on being congratulations, I guess, on being a 2019 Salesforce MVP. You've done an amazing job past year, being an expert and advocate, showing your generosity and leadership. This is why we are thrilled to be inducting you into the program. Please enjoy this welcome kit as a token of your appreciation. Congratulations. Thank you. And yeah, multiple swags. Let's see what they are. So I've got this Salesforce MVP embroidered, what do we call it? A badge or something that you can put on your whatever you want to, like on your bag or on your jacket. No, not on your laptop. This is a Salesforce MVP. Okay. This is for my laptop. Now I've got multiple Salesforce MVP swags that I can paste on my laptop as well as on my other stuff. And what else? I've got this lapel pin, I guess, of being a Salesforce MVP. Let's just try it now. Finally. And so there is one webcam cover as well. Oh, that's a good one. Let me just. And it says Salesforce MVP. Zoom in. It says Salesforce MVP. So like you can just drag it in here. Yeah, it's basically a webcam cover. And another pin. And what else? There are a lot of stuff. Thank you so much, complete like community member. Thank you so much for giving me this these swags. They really mean a lot to me. And more than anything, this title means a lot to me. With the help of this, I'll be able to inspire more people and motivate more people to do good to the world. So thank you so much for this. Thanks a lot.